We are the 10th grade class of Collegiate Academy of Colorado in Jefferson County. Collegiate Academy is a college preparatory school known for our small family-centered community of about 350 students. Our 10th grade class gets an amazing opportunity to partake in an environmental program. Every 2 weeks, we would take a field trip to Denver Audubon Nature Center in Chatfield State Park, where we would conduct our own research and analyze current environmental events. Our goal was to identify one ongoing issue in the park and take action to solve it. We identified the immense amount of cigarette litter in the parking lot and along the trails.
In 2019, National Geographic released information stating that an estimated 6 trillion cigarettes are manufactured every year, and that 4.5 trillion cigarettes are discarded annually. We found an average of 600 cigarette butts discarded in Audubon every month, which comes out to 7,200 butts in a year. Birds have a high risk because they have a fast metabolism. Some birds even build their nests with cigarette butts. Although the chemicals prevent parasites, the toxins can cause chromosomal defects, causing genetic defects in the birds.
This is an immense amount of harmful carcinogens and toxic chemicals released into Audubon soil and Chatfield Reservoir through the South Platte River. This will affect the living conditions of food such as the mayfly and fish, leading to a significant impact on predators like birds of prey who are significant to Audubon's history and recreational activities.
One simple test we conducted as a class was taking a 2-liter bottle and letting a mixture of fresh water and collected cigarettes sit for a few hours. After only 1 hour, the water turned a disgusting brown, which showed it didn't take much for cigarettes to release their variety of toxins into the water supply.
As Coloradans, we have grown up loving the mountains, forests, and canyons along with the beauty they have to offer. This is why it's devastating for us to see that such a stunning family park is being buried under the toxic butts of cigarettes. This led us to recognize the opportunity for the ballot bin. Since being invented in the UK, they've become very successful and widely used. It utilizes a voting system through its interchangeable question plate and 2 viewable ashtrays, which engages the smokers into throwing their butts away.
Each ballot bin is $450 including shipping, and want to get 1 bin to place in the parking lot to entice smokers using the Audubon area during the smoke breaks. Due to the issues associated with COVID-19 and the school's small size, we would appreciate a donation or help us gain attention for our fundraising requests. We are stepping up to make our future a brighter one, but we cannot do this alone, so we are reaching out to you. You can all play a part in the solution, no matter how small of a part that could change things around for everyone. Thank you for your time and attention. We are eager to make a difference for Audubon and are hopeful that this year we can accomplish our goals. With your support, we can purchase the much-needed ballot bin essential to make an impact on the cigarette litter issue at Audubon. We hope that you're able to come down and enjoy the changes that we will make together. Will you help create a brighter future for the generations to come?